afternoon everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some definitions. Let us consider this is the horizontal surface and you have to draw the normal. That will be the point of instance and ON is the normal drawn to the surface and this is the rough surface. You have to consider. Let AO be the incident ray. AO is called here incident ray. OB is called reflected ray. Okay, and you have to extend these light ray. This is the extended incident ray. Here OB the point of incidence. ON is normal drawn to the surface. AO is called incident ray. OB is called reflected ray. Okay, first definition is here, that is angle of incidence is denoted with a small letter I. The angle made by the incident ray with normal to the surface. Incident ray with normal to the surface is called angle of incidence. This is incident ray and ON is the normal. Here this is the angle of incidence. The angle made by the incident ray with normal to the surface is called angle of incidence and it is denoted with small I. And second definition is angle of reflection. Second definition is here, that is angle of reflection. It is denoted with small r. Angle made by the reflected ray with normal to the surface is called angle of reflection. Angle made by the reflected ray with normal to the surface. Reflected ray with normal to the surface is called angle of reflection. This is the reflected ray OB, ON is the normal. Therefore, the angle made by the reflected ray OB and normal ON is called angle of reflection. And third definition is glancing angle. Glancing angle, or it has another name, that is angle of glancing. It is denoted with letter alpha. The angle made by the incident ray with surface. The angle made by the incident ray with the surface. Incident ray with the surface. With the surface is called glancing angle. And fourth definition is angle of deviation. It is denoted with the letter small d. The angle made by the extended incident ray. Extended incident ray with the reflected ray. With the reflected ray is called angle of deviation. This is the extended incident ray. AO is called incident ray and we have to extend these light ray. OA dash. OA dash is called extended incident ray. OB is called reflected ray. Therefore, the angle between OA dash and OB is called angle of deviation. Okay, these are the four basic definitions we learned so far. And next one is object. It is denoted with letter O. What is meant by object? The point of intersection of incident rays we can call as object. Let us consider a plane mirror. Plane mirror nothing but you know very well. One side is polished and one side acts as a reflecting surface. Okay, the point of intersection of incident rays we can call it as object. This is the O. Means here the light rays are coming from the point. That's why this O we can call as object. These are the instant rays. And these light rays are going to reflect when it is going instant on a plane mirror, it is going to be reflected. The point of intersection of corresponding reflected rays, we can call it as image. Okay, this is the image I. Here, next definition is image denoted with I. Means the point of intersection of reflected rays, we can call as image. This is object and this is the image. Object O and image I. The point of intersection of instant rays, we can call it as object. The point of intersection of reflected rays, we can call it as image. And next we are going to learn about types of images. There are mainly two types of images are there. First one is real image, second one is virtual image. Types of images. First one is real image and second one is virtual image. First one, real image. If the reflected rays intersect, then the point of intersection is called real image. That is, I can consider the plane mirror. If the reflected rays intersects, then the point of intersection is called real image. This is the real image. Here the reflected rays are going to intersect this point, and this we can call as a virtual object. Virtual object O and real image I. If the reflected rays intersect, the point of intersection we can call as a real image. If the object is real, the image is, if the object is virtual, the image is real image. And second one is virtual image. Second one is here, we can call as virtual image. The rays diverges after reflection. The rays diverge after reflection, then the point of intersection of extended reflected rays. Then the point of intersection of extended reflected rays, we can call as a virtual image. Here the rays are diverges after reflection. After reflection, the rays are going to be here diverges. Here this is the object. Means object is a real object, and the image is formed here. It is called virtual image, and the image formation here it is called virtual image. Okay, if object is real, image formed by the plane mirror is virtual. If the object is virtual, the image formed by plane mirror is real image. The real image can be caught on the screen, and virtual image cannot be caught on the screen. Okay, if you have any doubts, please go through the comment section, and please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.